Hello, I am Patrick D'Souza, here to guide you with regards to XAT16 paper writing strategies. My introduction: I have scored 100 percentile in CAT twice and written XAT exams, so understand what the XAT paper is all about. So this year there have been a couple of changes. The questions have been reduced to 78, the time has increased, and they say that the difficulty level is lower. Yes, if I compare with last year, the difficulty level could be lower, but on an overall basis, the difficulty will not be too low because they are giving more than 2 minutes per question. And if they are giving you more than 2 minutes per question, there would be a little moderate difficulty level questions. It will not be simple like the speed based test. It has to be a little difficult so that people find it a little more difficult while solving paper. So first, before you write a paper, you should need to understand the sectional cutoffs. So if you look at it, there is normally a very high sectional cutoffs for XLRI. XIMB also has a sectional cutoff, but it's comparatively low. Whereas in most of the other colleges, there are no sectional cutoffs. So the way you write XLRI paper, you basically depends on what college are you targeting. So let me say if I'm targeting XLRI or XIM Bhubaneswar. So the first priority would be to go spend 45 minutes per section. Ensure that I have solved enough questions in each section to clear the cutoffs. Also, while spending 45 minutes per section, I understand the paper difficulty level in each section. So there is possibility that maybe you are strong in con, but the verbal section is easier. So then maybe you should focus on verbal to maximize your score, and so on. So the 45 minutes per section will help you to understand the paper well, while solving enough question to clear sectional cutoffs. After this, 35 minutes will be left. So the advice is spending 20 minutes on weak area if your section is weak. So some people have a very weak verbal or a very weak con, then spend 20 minutes extra on the weak area just to improve on the score so that you can clear the sectional cutoffs. And spending around 15 minutes on the strong area to maximize the score. If you're good in all areas or equally good, then spend maybe the rest 35 minutes after the initial 45 minutes per section. Spend the rest 35 minutes to maximize your overall score so that you can clear the overall cutoff, because XLRI overall cutoff also could be very high. If you're looking at other colleges, then maybe you can spend around 30 minutes per section. This will help you to solve a few questions per section, as well as to understand which section is easy, which section is tougher. And then you can spend the rest 120 minutes in maximizing your score. So pick up the easiest of all the sections questions and try to maximize your score as far as possible. So that will help you with regards to strategizing your paper depending on what you are targeting. Thank you and all the best for your exam.